Oh my goodness. Go get your eggs. Twiz smells it.
I better find them. Let's find the eggs. Go find them. Oh, Jilly got one. She got the first one. She's running off with it. Come on, look, Rain. Look, come look. Eggs. Oh, Jilly got that one.
Roxy.
Roxy. Yeah, Roxy's got one. Jilly got one. Yeah, Jilly cracked hers open. Oh, Rain got one. Oh,
Did you get it, babies?
Yeah, get it?
Did you get one?
You know what to do with it, baby? Put it down. Look. Come here. She's going to carry that one around and just get that one. There you go. Can you get it open? Did you get it? Open it. Put it down. Got to get the treat out.
Aww.
Oh, Rain got her treat. I just forget it. Good girl, Rain. Hey. Come on, Rain. Let's go get another one. We don't want to start. Come on. Do that one for me. Come on, Rain. Over here, baby. Look, get that one. There you go. Put that one. Look, Roxy. There's one right here. Look, you see?
You need some help? Did you get it? That gets it.
She figured it out real quick.
Yes, she did.
Yeah, good girl. Yeah. But she's eating the plastic. Don't let her do that. Rain, come here, baby.
Come here, babies.
Plastic, honey.
Come here. Let me have it. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Come here, baby. There's one right there.
Take a picture of that dog's butt.
There you go. Get some treats out.
Good baby.
Good girl. Yeah, her gets it. She does. Good baby. We're going to have to wash these. They are so slimy. Look, Joey, did you get another one?
I don't have any more for you right here.
Those are already Jilly. Oh, Roxy got it. Jilly's getting the empty ones out.
I mean, there's not any more treats in there, sweetie. We have that. No.
Where's the more? We need more.
Alright. Now that's good stuff, isn't it, Dee?
Are you picking up the empties?
Yeah.
So we can do it again later?
Calm down. Roxy, give me that.
Look, I can see one. Come here, Jilly. Come here, Jilly. Oh, good girl. Her got one. Her does.